Here we have a Highline NT rock picker. We will step through the process of changing a real coil spring. Have the unit parked on level ground with the tractor in park and the engine off. Relieve the pressure from the hydraulic lines on the unit. Disconnect the hydraulic lines from the tractor. Be sure there is no spring pressure on the bat. Support the bat when removing the spring assemblies on both sides. Remove the 1/2-inch leading edge impact bolt. Loosen, but do not remove, the center 5/8 bolt that hold the springs and plates together. Loosen the tensioning bolt jam nut. While holding the jam nut with a wrench, remove the tensioning bolt as it will relieve the spring pressure. Now remove the 5/8 bolt and remove the plates and springs. Place the spring onto the plate. There is a slot for the spring to sit in on the plate. Place the 5/8 bolt through both plates along with the tensioning tube and place the nut on the bolt. Slip the long part of the spring over top the spring tab. Place lubricant into the tensioning tube. Tighten the tensioning bolt to increase the spring tension. Retighten the jam nut. Place the 1/2-inch leading edge impact bolt through the plates and tighten until snug. Tighten the 5/8 plate bolt.